Hello and welcome to our channel today. I hope everyone is doing well and pretty much ready to get over this corona nonsense. In today's video, as you can tell, the headlights are pretty much shot and I did not want to buy new ones. If we can bring them back to life, this is my usual goal with any cars, any restoration projects I'm working on, is to keep as many original details as possible, bring them back to life. Do not like throwing things, like to restore them. So usually this is my go-to product that I used in the past, but in this condition, in this situation, it was not helpful. And after a bit of a research, this is what I came up with. I think it's going to be the most economical and the most efficient option. So let's check it out. So this one is a heavy duty, will involve some sanding, and it's wet sanding. That's what I liked about this kit. I decided to take the headlights out. So I would not damage this piece, would not damage the blinkers or any of the housing. As you can tell, so the upper portion is all right, but this is the area where you need to work at. See how it will come out. Yeah, I can feel that it's grinding fairly well. I think we should be fine. So here is the way the headlamp looks before we start the polishing. After applying the UV protective sealer on the headlight, the manufacturer recommends to cure it for 15 minutes and then to keep it in the direct sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Hey, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so I can see you soon again. Bye bye.